What's going on, guys? Barber CVO back in the building here in IHOP in Orlando, Florida. I'm here with my boy Hugo with our llama team. We are back in llama. I just got my patch. I did 15,000 miles for the year and ready to go. So my boy Hugo representing Barber CVO right there, like always. My boy. We got our food. Delicious. And of course you gotta have an OJ and some coffee. All right, so our agenda today is to go to Daytona, go check out the last day of bike week, and maybe hit up maybe the outlets because we're in Orlando. And we don't know, we'll see where it goes. Stop by. They have a bunch of Harleys here in Orlando and Florida in general, so we're just gonna stop by and check it out, see how it goes. All right, we're gonna eat breakfast and we'll be back. Okay guys, we have arrived here in Daytona bike week. This is the last day. A lot of tents have been going down, but we're gonna make the best of it. So we're gonna park in the... There's the bike. Look at that. Just added the new decal right there. Barber CVO 19. Looks good for the back of the bike. Also my helmet right there. As you all know, bike's doing lovely. We got the new rim. The new rim got fixed. Brand new rim, brand new rotors. We got Hugo's bike right here. Pimping. All right. We also got the chrome works. All right, guys, we're gonna go check out this bike right here. Look at this thing. Booming. All custom, all custom.
Yeah, man. Yeah, look at that thing. Good gosh, man. That thing is really America, huh? That thing is beautiful. Wow, man. Good.
Ni me di cuenta. Alright guys, we're here at XK Glow. We got the whole light kit system here. Also with a lifetime warranty. Gonna be putting this on my bike. An install video coming up soon in about a week. So check it out. You got the bike right here. It's doing another person's bike, but I'm gonna wind up doing it myself at home because they're not gonna have time to do it. So they're very, very bright. You'll see it, and it also works with the app as well. Lifetime warranty. We're here at Harley Davidson in Daytona. Real nice. Got 2 floors. And check this out. They also have a barbershop here, which is actually by me. The barbershop here, wide open. Check it out. The barbershop. It's got enough, like 2 chairs. And see what's up. right, guys, we're having a drink here. We got the bartender right there. Look at that.
Thank you.
So we got our bartender here as well. We're having a nice drink. Beautiful. What do you think of Daytona? It's nice, right?
Perfecto.
Perfect. Now we're gonna hit the road in a few minutes, and we got some look for the bike too as well. By X-Glow. So we're gonna be installing this, I think, in a couple weeks. Wait till the weather gets nice. Bam. Hugo got it too as well. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're here getting a massage. Trying this new massage chair. It's pretty cool. So me and Hugo are about to get on this chair right now. Check it out, Hugo. You're about to get in. Woo! All right, we're gonna see how it goes. All right, so Hugo's getting a massage right now. Mine's just about finished. ¿Cómo te sientes, Hugo? Hugo, what? ¿Cómo te sientes? Woo! Espectacular. We're going for round two. Getting ready for the massage. Got my boys right there. Colombia in the house.
Yes, sir.
That's right. From what part?
Toledo, I'm from Bogota.
Nice. Hugo está dormido ahí. Sleeping Hugo. All right, we have arrived at Golden Corral. Only in the south. Only in the south. Beautiful weather out here. Hugo getting ready. All right, so we got the food going on over here in Golden Corral. Yo, man. All right, we just got done with a Golden Corral. Man, we are stuffed. We ate so much. You can't go wrong for the price of eating there. Hugo, are you full? ¿Estás lleno?
Full.
How they doing? They call this the Black Phantom. Black Phantom. Se llama. Yeah. Ese todo negro. Phantom. Siouxicide choppers right there. He just got this new GoPro mount for his GoPro. We got it in Daytona. Baby, looks good. Check it out. Okay, so we're going back to the house. We're gonna call it a night, and then we'll be in St. Augustine tomorrow. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna go to Daytona Beach, take some pictures over there. So first time we're ever gonna be over there, right? Like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you think. Here we go with a little cold start. No, not cold start actually. The bike was running. Oh yeah. Peace.